This is a Lightning to USB-C adapter. So we convert Lightning cable to USB-C and connect to iPhone 15. So yeah, we connect it. This CarPlay and Android Auto. Yeah, we connected. Charging. Okay. Recognize. See. Okay. CarPlay. Yeah. This is CarPlay. Okay. So this adapter support CarPlay. This rubber silicone case, so we can attach the adapter to cable. Okay, now here, yeah, attach to the cable. You also can, like this, like this. Okay. Yep. This cable strap. So it's easy to organize the cable. Here, okay. Then, yeah. Yeah, okay. It's very convenient. Thank you.